alaikum, Kamlin, merhaba bikum. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So we've missed you these past couple months. We haven't been super active on YouTube, but that's because we're working on a really fantastic new project here in Morocco. We'll be managing a riad here in Essaouira, Morocco. So Riad is a small Moroccan hotel. So stay on our channel because we're gonna post videos about it. We're gonna do a walkthrough. We will get back to some of our vlogs, our recipes, our language content. We have lots of good stuff coming. So thank you for tuning in today. So today we're making a brand new recipe, a salad dressing. Super easy, quite basic, but really delicious. And it gives your salad just a little extra, flavor so that you can enjoy all those veggies, all your fruits, some of your protein, all the good stuff. So without further ado, let's get to it. We'll throw the ingredient list right after this so you can grab all of your ingredients. Today we're using Dijon mustard, a little white vinegar, olive oil, garlic, oregano, all the good stuff. So go ahead, take a look, grab all your ingredients, and let's make this really easy salad dressing together. So this is our salad dressing when it's all finished. As you can see, it's quite thick and creamy, but we don't add any mayonnaise or any dairy or anything. It's the Dijon mustard, it's the olive oil, and a little bit of citrus that's giving it this really beautiful color and this nice consistency. Okay, so first I recommend grabbing a little glass jar with a lid. This is going to be our mixing vessel. This is where we'll store our dressing. And the most complicated part of this recipe is simply cutting up our garlic and letting it soak in the vinegar and the citrus first. So when you do this, it takes away a little bit of that bite. Raw garlic has a super strong bite, so it'll remove that a little bit to make it delicious and easy to eat. So first things first, let's cut our garlic. So if you have a garlic press, I really recommend that. It's easier, it gets tiny pieces, that would be ideal. Okay, so one large garlic clove we have all cut up. We go ahead and put this in our jar. Oop. Now from here, we have our raw garlic. Pour in your 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And let's juice our citrus. Now I prefer to use orange. We're all out of oranges today, so I'm making the video using lime, but the orange gives it a sweetness that I think everybody will really like, so grab your orange if you can. Releasing all the flavor, right? Now remember, if you're using an orange, you probably just need a half of a big orange. If you're using something smaller, then you can squeeze the whole thing. And we let that sit now for just another minute or so while we gather all of our other ingredients. Great, so this is sitting, we have our garlic, our vinegar, and our citrus, and now we'll go ahead and pour in 1 teaspoon of oregano. It's a half teaspoon and 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then we want a big heaping tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So nice and big. Let's add in a pinch of salt. And our final touch, about a 1/4 cup, maybe even a 1/3 cup. I'm gonna add a little bit more of olive oil. So depending how thick you want your dressing, depending how much olive oil you put in. Again, about 1/3 cup is probably perfect. And now the easy part, tighten it and just shake. It beats whisking it, right? And just like that, we have our delicious salad dressing. So this will keep in your fridge, I would say easily a week, maybe even 10 days, 2 weeks. Smell it. Lokman and I always are in agreement. We smell our food before we eat it. If it smells fine, it's probably fine. Great, so enjoy this on any type of salad. And do not forget, please like and subscribe to our channel below, Teresa and Lokman. My name is Teresa. This is Lokman.
Assalamu alaikum مرة أخرى أخوتي خواتاتي. Hi everybody.
And shukran bzef, Kamleen, thank you all so very much for watching our video, for staying with us, and for continuing to support us. Don't forget, we do have a Patreon. We'll link that below in the description. We have a Moroccan recipe ebook. We have all different types of content. Follow us on Instagram, on TikTok. Again, all of this info is right below the video in our description. And thank you all so much. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.